Yo, YouTube Dragon Slayer here, and guys, I have just got 100,000 free Microsoft rewards points. As you can see, apologies for my dirty screen, don't even ask how that got on there. But guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get free Microsoft rewards points fast using a code. This is working in 2026. You can actually get 100,000 free points into your Microsoft rewards account, saving you a bunch of grinding and earning. So yeah, before I get into the video, guys, make sure you drop a like and subscribe, because I'm always searching for updated methods. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile phone to get this Microsoft rewards points code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in the dashboard. So open up your internet. I'm using my iPhone. You can do this on Android, and you've got to head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this. You can pause the video and copy it down, but it's pretty easy to spell Crash Coupons, guys. And this is going to bring you to a codes website. So what you need to do is find the Microsoft rewards points code. So just use the search bar at the top of the screen, and hopefully you can actually type in Microsoft rewards, and it's going to bring you to this page. Now, to save you getting confused, there is only one code on this page, guys, and that is the 100,000 free points code. So this is going to get you a code you can redeem in the dashboard, and it's going to supply you with 100,000 points. I already earned over 3,000, but this gave my account a massive boost. So click on get code, and as you can see, this confirms your selection. This is a really popular method with over 8,000 people rating it 5 stars. Now, these are limited codes with 626 coupons left. So what this is going to do, this is going to allocate you a code, and then it's going to give you the code here, and you need to unlock it. This basically prevents people stealing the 600 codes. You can only do this once. I have already done this. And what you need to do is click on this button and simply follow the instructions on this page here to get your Microsoft rewards points code. So as you can see, it says final step, unlock your code, complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your Crash Coupons code, and follow the instructions below each app. So essentially, you're going to have a list of tasks that are mostly mobile applications. There may be mobile games, free surveys. All of the tasks are completely free, as you can see. And you just need to make sure you follow the instructions and complete any 2 tasks. Doesn't matter which ones. It's going to take you about 5 minutes. Once you do that, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your code will be revealed. So you can grab your Microsoft rewards points code, redeem it in the dashboard, and that is how to get 100,000 free points in Microsoft rewards. So go to Crash Coupons, guys. If you need any help or have any questions, let me know, but it's pretty easy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.